Where are those? Oh, remember where they are. Let's see if they. Oh, I got free. I got free. No.
There's one in a very, very tricky spot.
I'm gonna look for that one.
Very, very tricky.
Oh my goodness. Oh, baby, in the oven.
No, they're not in here. There's none in here.
What?
It's all in these rooms, right over here.
Alright. This one is not going to be tricky after I find it. Oh, I found 11. Which number is the very tricky one? I found one.
Well, keep looking, Harper.
I know I haven't found one. It's baby.
Look down there. Look.
It's baby.
Lily's toy. Look inside Lily's toy.
No. Ah, yeah.
All right.
I'm looking for that really tricky. Yeah. I got three. Where's the tricky one? I got
Oh,
I'll give three. I got three.
Okay, how many do we have?
3.
Wait, let's count them. Okay, 2, 4, 5. You have how many? 3? 8. Whoa, we still have quite a few to find. We got 4 more.
I got 9. I'm gonna find that tricky one. Come on. I found this other one.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with Christmas. It's hidden in something to do with Christmas.
Oh, Christmas! Yeah!
Okay, so we have
Found it.
3 more to go. Is that right?
I only got 2. I was thinking about Christmas,
Oh.
and I knew it was in that case.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you look behind there? Right there.
Oh! Oh! Yes! I got 4!
Woohoo! Alright, so how many do we have?
5. Did we find the
5,
tricky one yet?
6. Yeah, Lennon found it. How many do you have, Lennon?
3.
9. Harper, you have
the
10.
tricky
There's 1 left. There's 1 left.
I can't find it! Oh, got one of them.
I don't even remember now. I have no idea.
Can we just watch the movie now? After we find one more.
There's 1 more, Harper.
Then found the tricky.
Oh. Hey, I think it fell down behind something.
Ow!
I think it fell behind something. Not over here. Not in this room.
What?
Fell behind something in that room. This is fun. Oh my goodness.
Mommy,
Okay.
I found something great.
You did.
I found it.
Oh, wait a minute. Then there must be 1 more. I think there's 1 more hidden behind something. No, not behind there, Lennon. It didn't fall behind that.
Mommy, come here.
It fell behind something that holds books.
What?
No, don't hurt each other.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all of them.
Who found it?
Okay.
Two.
How many did you get, Ryan?
I gave 1 to Andrew. 5.
Wow, 5. How many did you get, Lennon?
4, but I gave 1 to Andrew.
And how many do you have, Andrew?
I gave 9 to Harbor.
Oh, how many do you have, Harper?
10.
10. Okay, not quite. All right, guys, that was fun. Okay. Say Merry